Let me show you a shortcut that shaves hours off your recording workflow. Picture this. You start recording a tutorial, then you notice your browser window does not fit your video editor. The dimensions are off. Now parts get cut. You see black bars on all sides. I faced this problem again and again. Things changed as soon as I found a way to automate window size using the script editor on macOS. When you know this approach, you will size any app window exactly every time you need it. Set it up once and next time, click, done. When I edit in iMovie, I always want a 16:9 ratio. I like to use 1600 pixels for width and 900 for height, so let's set that up. On your Mac, press Command and space to open Spotlight Search. Type in Script Editor and press Enter. Next, let's click on New Document. This will open a new Script Editor window. Now look at the top part of Script Editor. That is where you will paste a simple script. You do not need to memorize the code. You will find it in the written tutorial linked in the video description. Let me walk you through what the code does. The first line targets the app you want. In this case, it's Safari. The next part tells your Mac which window to change. It always uses the front window. The final piece describes exactly where you want the window and how big you want it. The numbers mean how far to place the window from the left and top edges of your screen and how wide and tall to make it. For the top, I like to start 50 pixels down, so the menu bar does not block my view. For width, you want a full 1600. For height, you need 950 pixels minus the top offset, which will result in 900 in width when the window is resized. It lines up perfectly with 16:9 video with no black bars. Before you save anything, see if it works. Make sure Safari is open. Then in Script Editor, click the Compile button. That checks for mistakes. If you see no error messages, everything is correct. Then click the Run button. Watch Safari snap into place. Now you are ready to record with pixel-perfect window size, no trimming needed. Next, let me show you how to make this script reusable. Press Command and S to save. Give it a name you will remember, such as Safari Resize. Make sure to change the format to application, not script. I recommend keeping it on your desktop or in your applications folder so you always know where to find it. Click Save. Now double-clicking this app will resize your Safari window on demand. Here is where it gets even more helpful. You're not limited to Safari. You can use this same idea for any app. You'll just have to make sure you write the right app name in the first line for the application. Every time you need a perfect recording setup, you are one click away. You never have to drag and resize by hand again. This hack gives you repeatable, reliable video setups every time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.